Alright, this is a video so I can remember where some of my speaker wire is, the one that's not ported. So in the back corner, subwoofer number 2. And about 3 feet, we got rear channel. Center speaker, which is about 20 inches away from the ledge. And then we've got subwoofer, left speaker, right speaker, center channel, all the 7.2 plus ATMOS, so 9.2 wiring, plug, conduit with the home run going all the way back to the projector. And then we got the other side wall speaker, and then the rear channel, and then the ATMOS speakers are the pink wire. So if I'm standing on the ledge and I look up, they're literally right in front, maybe 5 inches in front of the ledge. You got the 2 speaker wire tangled up for that. We're good to go. Speaker wire done.